This is not just a course. It is an immersion into the core of what it means to protect and serve.
Tinig ng tungkulin.
This course is about building character. It is about instilling in each of you a profound sense of responsibility, a commitment to serve, and unwavering dedication to the people we swear to protect.
Sinanay sa hirap, sa tapang sinubok, tapat sa sinumpang tungkulin, walang takot. Kasangganang mamamayan, sandigan ng lipunan, sa dilim ng panganib, ikaw ang tanglaw ng bayan. Sa gitna ng unos, di ka tatalikod, may puso't dangal sa
I have the honor to present to you the 180 participants of Basic Internal Security Operation Course, class number 02-01-3-ARBAR-2025-048 and 049.
kapayapaan. Sinagalis, itinagot sa dangal ng bayan. Tunay na lingkod ng sambayanan.
May this mark the beginning of a stronger,
Sa bawat hakbang,
wiser, and more resolute version of yourselves. Mabuhay ang PNP. Mabuhay ang PROBAR. May God bless us all. Shukran and wasalam.
pagod man ang katawan, puso'y matatag. Paglilingkod mo, walang kapalit na sukat. Sa bawat alon ng panganib, ika'y sandigan. Matibay na haligi ng kapanatagan. Sinagalis.
This occasion is not merely the start of a training program, but a reaffirmation of our collective commitment to peace, public safety, and regional security.
Sa kapayapaan, sinagalis, itinayod sa dangal ng bayan. Tunay na lingkod ng sambayanan. Kasama sa gabi't umaga.
By virtue of the authority vested upon me, and hereby declare that the Basic Internal Security Operations Course Class 02-013-RBAR-2025-048 and 049 open effective this date. Good luck, participants.
Lakas sa karangalan, liwanag ng katapangan. Sa bawat hakbang, sa bawat laban, ika'y gabay ng kapayapaan. Sinagalis, itinagot sa dangal ng bayan. Tunay na lingkod ng sambayanan.
To our trainers, commanders, and support staff of RSTUR and R8, continue your dedication in shaping the future of our law enforcement.